Okay. So we're gonna start on MyFitnessPal, and it says, this is the homepage that I have. So because I added in my weight and all of the other stuff, it gave me a set goal, which I changed a little bit for calorie intake and exercise, which is right here, the goal that I have, plus exercise. My profile is right over here. My computer's slow, sorry. So my profile has how old I am, it has a picture, it has some about me, why I want to get in shape, inspirations. I added stuff to all of that even though we didn't have to. And then friends page. Unfortunately, I don't have very many friends who want to come on here, but I did invite, oh man, it's not showing up anymore. Great. Okay. Well, you can invite people by typing in their email. They have to accept it, of course, and I've invited her twice and she hasn't accepted it either time. But you can invite friends here. I don't have any friends on here, though. And then custom goals. Okay. Goals are over here. Oh, come on, computer. Okay. Oh, my computer is really slow right now. So the friends, we were supposed to add a friend, but I'm pretty sure in order to add a friend, they have to accept the invite that you sent them. But none of my people have accepted them. I told them they didn't have to because I was doing this for an assignment and it wasn't an official thing. They probably just don't want to get emails from this website. But so goals, here are my fitness goals. It tells how many how many workouts, what I need to burn, etc., etc. And you can, I clicked this to give the base goal layout, and then I just adjusted a few of the things. Your weight log and your exercise. Okay. So here's my exercise diary. Here we go. So I got cardiovascular, I went running, strength, I did crunches and then a normal workout. And my notes for that. Here's the food. Oh dear. Okay. So food, I got breakfast, morning snack, lunch, dinner, and evening snack. I did the quick add for the morning snack just with the calories. And then I inputted all of the other ones. And you can see how that relates to my goals. And then cups of water, I have 4. So if you go to recipes, I put in the lasagna recipe myself. So that should be in here in my recipes. See, it's right there. And then for it's not the meals, it's the foods. There it is. My foods. I created my own food or whatever that I put in, I put it in breakfast. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe I put it in lunch or dinner. But there's that. And then I'm going to go back to my food diary. No, I'm going to go back to home to try to show you guys. Ah, here we go. No, it's still, why am I still on food? Go to home. Okay. Wow, my computer is being really slow. So I'll go to apps after this, and you can see up here that I have my MyFitness. As soon as I connected that app to this, it popped up right nice, because if you click on that, it'll go straight to it. But I also have it open here at this other tab. But I'll show you. Perfect. Okay. Great, I lost what I was looking at. Hold on. I showed you my custom recipe, my custom food, my food diary. Oh, I need to show you my settings. Okay. So this is for the weight. My weight goal was to just keep the weight that I'm at. But it was last recorded as 99 pounds on today. It doesn't have a record because I did this all today. But you also want to see settings, and the settings, oh, not that settings. Where's my other settings? I think it's in the food. It says under diary sharing. So this is the food diary, so maybe it's the settings in here. I'm not exactly sure what settings you're looking for, but this is the one that I used to change the name of the meals. But you can also change other things. Half the stuff is locked. I did change this to locked with a key. Ooh. It's in the settings under food. And then you want the apps page. So here's the apps page. And here's the one that I have installed. Now, I can't install the app on my computer. I can install it as a mobile app on my phone, but when I tried to do it on my computer, there isn't an app that can work on my computer. You just have to use the browser. So, and then, as I said before, it pops up here, and it just automatically goes onto a new tab. I'll show you how that works, and it goes to my map. But I'm doing another video. So, profile, friends, your goals, weight log, exercise diary. So I think that is all. Okay.